Good morning my dear students and welcome to Zenith Tutorials once again. In today's video lesson, we'll be talking about construction of a tangent to a circle at a point on the circle. So, if there is a circle with center O, then at a point on the circle, say this point P. So, from this point P, we have to draw a tangent. Now, this can be done by either using the center of the circle or without using the center of the circle. So first we will talk about construction of a tangent at a point on the circle by using the center of the circle. We will use this center of the circle. So let's go. So our first step would be to draw a ray joining points O and P. So now we will first draw the ray. We will draw the ray such that it joins O and P, and we will extend the ray. So this is the required ray. We can name it as OX, which is containing P. At P, we will draw a line which is perpendicular to this ray OX. Now that line will be the required tangent. Let's see how to draw this. Now keep your compass at P, okay, stretch it and mark 2 points on either sides of P. Okay, so we have marked 2 points on either side of P. Now we can change the measurement. From this point, draw an arc. From this point, draw an arc, both the sides. Then from this point again draw an arc. Now you can see these two arcs, you join it by passing through P. So keeping a scale at P, we will draw this line. So now since this line L is perpendicular to this ray and it is also passing through a single point P, so this can be a tangent to this circle. I repeat what we did. First we drew the circle, then we selected any point P and then we drew a ray, okay, such that it passes from O and P. We named it as OX. Then at P we have to draw a perpendicular to this ray OX. So from P, we cut an arc here and here. Now taking these 2 points, we drew 2 arcs. From here, this and this, and then we joined the arc. So this line which is perpendicular to OX is the required tangent. So line L is the required tangent. Now let's go on to constructing a tangent without using the center of the circle. If you are given a circle and you don't know its center, okay, or you are told to draw a circle of a certain radius and draw a tangent without using its center. Now let's look at the second method where you are given a circle and you don't know its center and you are told to draw a tangent through any point, say C on it. Let's say this is the point C on the circle. From this point C you have to draw a tangent. Now if you are given a point on the circle and you don't know the center, then just draw a chord, say CB. Okay. Now through this chord, subtend an angle here. Okay, take any point here and draw this triangle. Okay, so this is point A. Now at point A, you will make an angle. Make it cut at 2 different points, say M and N. Now with the same radius and center C, you will draw the arc cutting the chord BC at any point, say Q. Okay. Now you will measure MN. Okay. Measure MN with your compass. Take the same measurement and from Q cut the previous arc, say at R. Right? Now just join CR. And extend it. So this line L is your required tangent. Now children, let me explain you why this is the tangent. Okay, here you are following tangent secant angle theorem. Now what does that theorem say? That if you have a circle, okay, and this is a chord, say chord AB, okay, and this is the tangent, okay, say L, then the angle that the chord makes with the tangent, this angle, is equal to angle that this chord makes in the other segment. See, this angle. Okay, so this is the secant. So this angle and this angle are same. That is why we drew this angle. See, this is the chord CB. This is the angle that it is making with the tangent, and this is the angle that it is making in the other segment. See, in this segment, this is the angle. This chord is making another angle at the different segment. Okay, so this angle, if this angle and this angle are same, okay, then this line has to be a tangent. Okay, so if there is a circle and this chord AB, then this chord AB will subtend equal angles at with the tangent and at the other segment. Okay, so if you are asked that which theorem is it following, you have to mention tangent secant angle theorem. I hope both the constructions are clear. Construction of a tangent to a circle at a point on the circle through by using the center of the circle and without using the center of the circle. Also, please watch our next video in which we have explained to construct a tangent to a circle from a point outside the circle. Please do not forget to like us and share it among your friends. All the best.